Guys, do reply so that I can get the indication that you guys are also here. Your presence is here. So Ayush, Rishabh, Vidhi, Divyajit, Bharti, yes, they are replied. Great. So basically, you do know that this is a very different subject from your regular technical subject. Okay, Riddhi is also replying. Sushil also replied. Great. Thank you guys for replying here. So as you know that this is a very interactive kind of subject, and it is completely different from your regular uh, technical subject, as this is focusing more where soft skill is required. That means you also need to contribute here. Without your contribution, it is not possible to learn. Right? So, and by way of contributing each other's idea can be visible and can be shared. So that's very interesting thing about this subject. Okay, now as you guys are very much aware that first thing that we always do is about recalling what we did previously. So, is there anyone who can tell me what we did previously? Our last session was on last Saturday, so a whole week passed. But I want to check: is there anyone who is having powerful memory? And so far, I can see only Manav reply. And Manav's reply is profession, professional, and professionalism. Definitely. Yeah, Nikita replied, yes. Bharti also replied, great. You guys remember, and I'm very glad to get your answers. And I also then got to know that you guys are having powerful memory. Yes. So we had a discussion on all these three terms. Before that, we did one quiz on the base of a previous session. That quiz was on Mentimeter. And if you remember, there were three questions that I asked. And all the three questions were related to our previous session. The questions were like, is ethics came from a Greek word, ethos or ethikos? You have to reply between true or false. So majority of you replied the correct answer, that is true. So those kind of questions were there as a part of our previous session. And then we got to know about three terms: profession, professional, and professionalism. What is the actual definition? Um, how you can define these three terms? And later on, if you remember, there was one video that we have seen. In that video, there were two robots and they started working together. After that, they also got to know that there can be have a conflict because they got to know about their ego part, and then problems started happening. So after that video, we also got to know about importance of having professionalism, where one of the importance that we learned from the video was if a person is following professionalism in his professional life, then it can also mitigate conflict. That means it can remove conflict part, and one will also value other person's efforts as well. So that was all thing that we did as a part of our previous session. Now, let me tell you what we are going to do in today's session. So you are right now seeing the screen of the title. That means we are again here going to discuss about profession and professionalism. That is part two. But as a part two, we are going to see a more practical aspect. That means I'll show you one office condition. That office condition is going to tell you about professionalism. And the video is very beautiful, though it is in Hindi. In between, I'll also stop and convert that into English for some of the people who are unable to understand that. So I'll also do it, but it is having a great message. So that's why I included that video here as a part of profession and professionalism part two. After completing that video and the discussion regarding the message that we can get from the video, what we are going to do is I'll share one case study. That case study is also a real life incident, which happened with one company. There was some kind of tragedy happened with that company, and then the company was suffering a lot. There was a huge loss, but still, what kind of bold steps the company took and how they survived till now. Also, it is also on top. We are also going to discuss about that issue as well as how they came out. After that case study, there is also one quiz based on that case study. So whenever I'm going to tell you the whole information regarding case study, you have to be more attentive and you have to listen carefully, because on the basis of the discussion regarding case study, you will be able to identify the correct answer of that quiz. And once again, let me tell you, the quiz is going to be your attendance part. So if you are going to attend the questions, then and then only you can submit your attendance. So it is interlinked there. Okay, so be more attentive in today's session. You are going to learn many aspects here. We are going to discuss about many interesting things. Okay, so now, as I told you, we are going to start with one office condition, and it is going to be presented in video mode. So let me share a video just a minute. Yeah. So can you guys see this VLC player? This is for the one video that we are going to see. Okay, so I'm going to start the video, and in between I'll pause the video and also tell you what is happening there. Okay. The video is in Hindi, but I'll convert in between in English too.
ऑफिस बढ़िया बनाया आपने है।
रोशन, तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? ये तो नीचे होना चाहिए था।
सर आपने तो कहा था फाइल रख के आने को।
नीचे सामान लेके आ।
ठीक है सर।
प्लीज सर, प्लीज। हाँ हाँ, मॉर्निंग आइए, प्लीज कम है। आइए सर, आइए आइए प्लीज प्लीज। हमारी कंपनी ने आपके प्रमोशन की पूरी तैयारी कर रखी है।
फाइल
लोगो,
बोलिए सर।
तो सलाम करना नहीं आता क्या? आपको सलाम करो।
सलाम सर।
और सुन, नीचे जाके मेरी गाड़ी धो देना, और डिक्की में जो बॉक्स रखे हैं वो शर्मा जी के ऑफिस में पहुंचा देना, 6th फ्लोर पर।
जी सर।
और उसके बाद मुझे फोन करना, मैं कुछ और काम बताऊंगा।
जी सर।
हाँ जी सर।
Okay, so in the first part, you notice what is going on in the office. There is one director, which you can spot in the blazer, and there is Sardaji, who is you can consider as a client. So when they are coming at the office, the director noticed that watchman is there, and he is very angry because he told watchman that you have to bring the file to my office, and that's why he was there. But he was very angry, and both of them went to his office, director's office, and then they were discussing. In between, watchman came with the file which director asked, and then he is also giving further instruction regarding further tasks, like you have to wash my car after completing this, then you also have to collect the boxes from my car, and you have to deliver that boxes to the Sarmaji, who is there at 6th floor. So this kind of personal task he is giving, as well as at the end he is also telling to give us salute, and it was kind of by force he is taking respect there. And now let's see what is happening further.
हाँ, तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मंगाओ, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करते हैं।
मंगाता। हेलो लुकमान, मिस्टर मनमीत जी की फाइल लेकर आओ।
तो चलो जब तक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आता है मैं आपका ये चेक साइन पेन
जरूर प्लीज।
ये भी जरूरी है ना
धन्यवाद।
आपका। लो जी फिर
थैंक यू सो मच।
आपकी कंपनी के साथ
बिल्कुल
करवाते हैं प्रमोशन, है ना।
है नहीं आप?
चाय चाय नहीं, एक काम करो ना, आप ग्रीन टी बना के ले आओ हैं।
सर पियोन आ रहा है, वो भी बना।
अरे तुमने क्या बनानी है यार, आपको अच्छी आती है कि आप खुद बना लो ना अपने लिए।
और वो चाय कैसे बनाएगा? वो मैनेजर है, वो नहीं है।
तो आप उसको तनख्वाह नहीं देते, फ्री में रखो, फ्री में करो।
देता हूँ सर, लेकिन सवाल ये नहीं है, सवाल ये है वो मैनेजर है और पियोन आके चाय बनाएगा ना।
आपने तो कमाल ही कर दिया। अच्छा एक काम करो, मैंने तो आपको पैसे दिए ना, तो मेरा तो काम आप करोगे ना। अच्छा सुनो सुनो, एक काम करो, यार इसके बाद में शूटिंग में जाना है तो शूज जरा गंदे हो गए थे नीचे, काम करो कुछ कपड़ा है तो जरा ला के पूछ लो।
आप इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं सर।
इंसल्ट का की करो, पैसे दिए मैंने आपकी कंपनी
ठीक
को।
है सर, पैसे दिए हैं, लेकिन ये हमारा मैनेजर है
हाँ
और हम मैनेजर की तनख्वाह देते हैं।
हाँ।
मैनेजर का काम करता है, आप किसी की इंसल्ट नहीं कर सकते। और हम पूरी डिग्निटी मेंटेन करते हैं, आपको पता है कितनी ईमानदारी और मेहनत से काम करते हैं।
Okay, so in the next part, you have noticed that when a director called one of his manager to bring a contract file, then after that manager came with contract file, the Sardaji, the client, is asking the manager to make a green. Earlier, the director was asking whether you want to like a tea. So he's saying that no, I want like to have tea. You can make a green tea for me. And he's actually giving order to the manager, and then manager was very shocked. He is looking at the director, what is happening here, and director is telling the client that he is manager here, he cannot make a green tea, there is a peon, so you can ask a peon about your preference of green tea. So then Sardaji is also saying that whether your manager is working here for free or what, are you not giving salary to him, then why he is actually not doing my work. Then we have noticed that Sardaji further demanded to clean shoes. So he is asking that I want to go for the second meeting as well, so can you please clean my shoes in the same order which is given to the manager. So both of them are very pissed off now. Let's see what is going on. They are very angry with the Sardaji now.
और आपने सर बुरा मत मानिएगा, आपने हमसे कांटेक्ट किया है अपना प्रमोशन के लिए, तो मैं प्रोफेशनल बात चाहता हूँ, आप प्रोफेशनल बात करें।
ओह अच्छा, तो वो जो वॉचमैन अब गया था वो क्या चैरिटी में आपके यहाँ पे है?
नहीं,
आप उसको बोल रहे थे मेरी गाड़ी धो देना, मेरा ये सामान लेना, वो कर देना, आप उसको तनख्वाह तो वॉचमैन गिरी की देते हो ना, तो आप अपनी गाड़ी भी धुलवा रहे हो, अपने दूसरे काम भी करवा रहे हो, सामान यहाँ से वहां उठवा रहे हो। तो मुझे एक बात बताओ, वो आपका वॉचमैन है या कार वॉशर है या पियन है या आपका घर का पर्सनल वर्कर है? आप कहते हो कि आप प्रोफेशनल हो, हैं तो आप अगर प्रोफेशनल हो तो दूसरे की प्रोफेशन की कदर क्यों नहीं करते हो? डिग्निटी की बात करते हो तो बंदे की डिग्निटी क्यों नहीं भाई? हाँ, मैंने इनको कहा कि मैंने पैसे दिए तो मेरे ये सब तो माफ करना, आपको बुरा लगा। क्यों बुरा लगा? क्योंकि ये एजुकेटेड है, हाँ? और आप जिस काम के इनको पैसे देते वही करवाना चाहते हो, तो वो वॉचमैन क्यों? वो गरीब है और अनएजुकेटेड है, इसलिए माफ करना सर। अगर एक एजुकेटेड बंदा इसलिए उसकी इज्जत ना करे कि वो अनएजुकेटेड है, तो वो एजुकेशन भी कोई काम की नहीं है, फिर वो भी एजुकेशन नहीं है। मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता, ये सारे इंडिया का सिस्टम ही बन गया कि गरीब आदमी है, वॉचमैन है या कुछ है, उससे सारे दुनिया भर के काम करवाना शुरू कर दो। कोई सोसाइटी का अगर सेक्रेटरी है तो वो तो बस अपना उसको गुलाम ही समझ लेता है, जी सारे काम कर ब्रेड लिया, वो लिया। क्यों? आप जिस चीज के उसे पैसे देते हैं आप भी उतने ही काम कराओ ना। आप क्यों एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हो? आप डिग्निटी की बात करते हो, उसकी डिग्निटी क्यों नहीं, उसकी डिग्निटी का ध्यान क्यों नहीं रखते हो आप? मैं जो कह रहा हूँ समझ रहे हो? कुछ बोलोगे आप?
आई हैव नो वर्ड्स। मेरी समझ में आ गया आपने जो कुछ कहा है। मैं आज से आपको प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि हमारी कंपनी में सब प्रोफेशनल तरीके से काम करें।
ऐसा होना भी चाहिए। एक बार आपको बता दूं सर, ये जो पैसे दे के आप सलाम ठुकवाते हो ना, उसका मजा नहीं है। कुछ ऐसा करो कि सब आपसे खुश होके दिल से आपको सलूट मारे, उसी सलूट का फायदा है सर। कि किसी को डरा के या पैसे देके सलूट मारा तो क्या मारा है सर। डिग्निटी तो ओरिजिनल सलूट में है, ये पैसे देके वाले में नहीं है ना। माफी चाहता हूँ आपको कुछ बुरा लगा तो सॉरी यार। मुझे एक बस बात आपको ध्यान दिलानी थी कि हर बंदे की एक रिस्पेक्ट है। जो काम करता है वो फ्री में नहीं करता है। अगर उसको आपकी जरूरत है तो आपको भी उसकी जरूरत है ना। डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। आई एम सॉरी अगर कोई बात बुरी लगी तो।
नहीं नहीं सर, यू आर ग्रेट सर। आपकी इस बात को न्यूज में देना चाहिए, लोग भी सीखेंगे कुछ इनकी इस बात से।
बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक।
अरे नहीं 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 यार, ये जो अच्छाई होती है ना, ये बंदा अपने दिल के लिए करता है या सोसाइटी के लिए करता है। दिखावे के लिए किया तो फिर क्या अच्छाई हुई ना। एनीवे थैंक्स, थैंक यू सो मच यार। बट ये न्यूज व्यूज में नहीं, ये तो हमने अपने दिल के लिए किया है ना।
थैंक्स।
थैंक
Okay, so you must have noticed what was the point which Sardarji wanted to make here. Uh, he did that kind of rude behavior with the manager just to make them understand that the director is also not doing good here with the watchman. Because why you hired the watchman? Because you want them to do, you want that person to do the job which is suitable for the watchman. Instead of that, the director is asking for so many personal things. And that's why he is saying that you are also not making dignity there. Your behavior is also not professional there. If you are talking about your professional behavior, then you are not suitable. Why? Because you are asking your watchman to clean your car. So is he your car washer? Is he your personal worker? Is he your personal servant? This is also kind of common problem in India that whenever there is a person who is on lower post than other people who are on the higher post, they are taking the advantage. Just because the person is not educated, we are not like to respect that person, even respect his job. And that is a common scenario. And that is actually not considered as a professional behavior. If you are educated, you should also have to respect other person. There are many people who are working and everybody is must in organizations function. Otherwise, organization cannot function. So that is what going on here. And now the last part. Before that, Sardaji also spoke one thing that you were asking for the salute, means respect, and it was kind of force. You were asking them, asking the watchman to salute you just because the person is there and the person that person is in requirement of that job. You also require that person's job, and that's why you hired. So you cannot force somebody to give a salute. If you want to earn a respect, then do some work, and the person will respect you by your behavior. It should be like you are asking a person to give a salute, and that's how you are earning respect there. Now, the last scene. Let's see what is going on with the watchman.
यू।
अब
सर।
तुम्हारा काम निबट गया,
हाँ,
अब तुम्हारे लिए कोई काम नहीं, जाके आराम करो।
थैंक यू सर।
आज से तुम सिर्फ अपनी ड्यूटी करो, ठीक?
ठीक है सर।
जाओ।
सलाम सर।
अब बजा सल्यूट सर, ये बजा दिल से। बैठो यार, चलो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो बताओ, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी तो साइन करना बाकी है। तो आप
Okay, so it was one of the amazing video. Now let's start the discussion regarding what the message that you can get from the video about the professional behavior. So the forum is open for everyone. You guys can contribute here with the help of chat box and present your view about that video. What is the message that you learned? Let's see your reply. All right. So I'm going to read your reply as well. Yash replied that respecting all the professions. Great. Manav is also having the same message. Respect the profession. Bharti is also saying respect everyone and their profession. You can also share a different idea. There are many messages, right? Not only one message. I do agree that the video was pointing out towards the respecting all the profession, that aspect. Nikita is saying that we should respect every profession. It is educated or not does not matter. Yes, definitely. Um, we do know that there are few posts, there are few jobs which are considered as the most important. If we look from the organization's perspective, they do consider that marketing is one of the important function, and if people are doing marketing properly, then the sales will happen, and then it can convert to the goals achievement. But it is not every time like only marketing is important. You should also have to focus on other people's contribution. Let's say that let's say your pune is not there for whole week. Do you think that your office will be as clean as the person was meeting earlier? No, you would also not like to go there. Let's say your toilets are not clean, um, your files are not in the proper arrangement, then you will definitely going to face the problem, many problem. Everybody's contribution is must. Organization cannot function without the help of everybody. If only top management, let's say that only CEO are there, then also, and other people are not working, other people are actually part of the organization. So, do you think that the organization will survive and will achieve the target as well as achieve the growth? No, it cannot. Everybody's contribution, whether it's from the lower post or the highest post or the middle level people, everybody is required there. That's the message. Yes, I do agree with Nikita there. Then further, Sushil replied that professional and profession are different things. Don't combine them. And personal, okay, professional and personal are different things. Don't combine them. Yes, I do agree because we have noticed that the director was asking for many personal tasks, and he was also telling the watchman to clean his car. Actually, watchman is there for the office purpose. Is not there for anybody's personal work. So one should not have to do it, and that's the proper behavior that we can consider as professional behavior. Otherwise, you are also not following professionalism in your life. Further, Yash replied that everybody have their own place in the society. Nobody can take place of one another. Everybody is required at their place, definitely. So what we have discussed, that is also quite related here. Similarly, if I'll link with the previous session's video, where there were two robots, so we can also see that from that video there was one message that all the people are not having all the quality. Like the small robot was able to scan through the rock, and he was not able to break, but the big robot was able to break, but he was not having the quality of scanning. So the message is about everybody's importance. If you are capable of doing something, then there are few areas in which you can also find yourself helpless. You will not be able to do it, and for that you need other people, and that's how particular organization is functioning. There is a requirement of everybody at every place. If some places are empty, some people are not working, then also it can create a big trouble. So you have to respect everybody's work in the organization. Great message. So Yash, thank you for uh, contributing here. There are many people who are contributing, so I'm actually thankful for everyone, those who are replying here. It's not like only Yash response I thankful. Even Bharti replied here, be professional. An organization works by everyone's contribution. So be respectful to all, as no organization can function without support of several people in the team. Yes, a clear message from the even. Um, you do know that there are. This is also kind of a common problem in the society. It is not only in the organization, it is also happening around us. Like if few people who are on the lower post, people who are doing some work, uh, which you can say a blue collar job, then white collar job people do take the advantage, and it is also happening in the society. When there is a peon who is working, other people are also giving their personal tasks to the person. If the people in return they are providing some extra rewards, like they are giving money, then it is okay, because you are respecting that person's work. Otherwise, by force, just because you hired that person doesn't mean that you will take all the work from him. We do know that when educated person is asked to do particular work or personal work, the person will raise a voice and will say that I'm not hired for this particular post. But uneducated person, they don't know actually. Many times they miss out that this for this work I'm not hired, and they are working on those particular work, personal work too. So everybody should have to give respect, even though person is educated or uneducated. That's the message. So great, guys. We had a good conversation here with the help of video. Now, as I told you, there is some interesting part for you, and here we are going to take one case study. That case study is based on one real incident. First, let me tell you what is the tragedy which happened at that time. So the case is about Johnson and Johnson, and we all of us are aware about Johnson and Johnson, which is very popular, and they are providing so many products right now. If we can consider from the Indian market, then Johnson and Johnson is heavily providing the products for the babies, for the children's, and they are actually doing a good market there. But Johnson and Johnson is not an Indian company. They are also having their operation, their business activity in other countries too. And this is the case regarding America, where there is one product which Johnson was making, Tylenol. That is the name of the product. Tylenol is basically it is a painkiller. Let me show you the picture as well. So as you can see here, uh, this is kind of medicine which was planned to give benefit in the pain killing, as well as it was also helpful in fever reducer. So this was very popular product in many foreign countries, and people were also consuming it. After getting success of this Tylenol capsule in the children's category, Johnson and Johnson also made a product for adults, and this is the picture. So the function was same. It is also for pain reliever as well as fever reducer. The function was very same. Now be more attentive. As I told you that after this case study, we are also going to see one quiz, and few questions will be there. You have to be more attentive here, and if you are missing out few information, then you will end up selecting a wrong answer there. So be attentive, and your quiz is your attendance. So both are same. Be attentive here. Now let's see. So this incident actually happened in 1982. Once again, I repeat, this case was very old. It happened in 1982 in US, and at that time, now let me tell you what the problem company faced at that time. So the product was very popular, and because of this popular product, the Johnson and Johnson's market share was 35%. Just imagine a big 35% market was captured by Johnson & Johnson with the help of this Tylenol capsule. Because it was very popular, everybody was consuming it, adult, even children. So very famous product, and that's why 35% people, 35% market share, Johnson & Johnson got, and it was a huge market share. So after that, after introduction of this drug, after 1 or 2 years, in 1982, there was a case happened like few people, those who consume Tylenol, uh, they got dead. Why? Because in between the product's ingredients were changed. There were few people who were actually wanting the company's image on the negative side. They wanted to destroy company's image, and that's why they what they did was they replaced the ingredients of the capsule with cyanide, and we do know that cyanide is very deadly drug. So because of cyanide, uh, many people got that, and there was a report of 7 people died because of consuming this Tylenol with the change ingredient of cyanide. So there was a big issue happened. People, after hearing the news that many people are dying after consuming Tylenol, so people were very scared, and they were also very scared because many people are consuming it. So many people already consumed a few hours ago or few days ago, and they were also worried about their own health. So a big headline came in many newspaper regarding Johnson and Johnson that people are dying because after consuming this Tylenol, and there was ingredient that was found as cyanide. So it was very bad drug. Now, let me tell you that this was actually a problem which Johnson and Johnson faced, and it was very hurting for company's image as well. People were very afraid, and people were not even buying the product next time. Now, let me tell you what Johnson and Johnson did. So at that time, uh, Johnson and Johnson started with the investigation, though government was not asking them to do a proper investigation or something. There was people were also aware that, and between a few people changed the ingredients. So it is also known to everyone. So what Johnson and Johnson did was they started with the marketing. They started some kind of media campaigning at that time, and they call back all the products which are available in the market. So if I'll give you a number about the product, so at that time somewhere near to 31 lakh products were called back from the market. So if the products were available with the retailers or wholesalers or with the customers, so Johnson and Johnson was actually requesting everyone to give that product back, and they were compensating as well. See, yes, recalling is also not enough, but Johnson and Johnson started this. Why? And they also thought that it is also going to create a big cost for the company. Company is also going to lose so many amounts because they are spending money on this many products. So 31 lakh products were coming back, and after that they also destroyed. They were actually not the person, the CEO at that time. He took this kind of bold step, and at that time he was not waiting for the investigation's result. If they were waiting for the result of investigation, then it could be very late, and many other deaths could have happened. But they avoided this because of this kind of bold step. So it was going to create a big trouble for the company. Company may lose many amount, but still Johnson and Johnson was taking a very good care, and they were also concerned for the customers, and that's why customers were also happy. They were thinking that yes, Johnson and Johnson is doing good. They are taking care of their customers, and they are very worried about their customers, and they are even not waiting for any kind of order from the government or from the investigation. But before they can get some kind of result from the investigation, they issued this order of recalling all the 31 lakhs product back. So people were also happy that uh, the company is actually doing good. After that, I told you that just by recalling, it cannot help the company. Though it can, company can gain a trust of customer, because, as I told you, customers were also relieved and they were thinking that company is actually taking care of them. What Johnson and Johnson do is, there was a good prediction in the whole market that Johnson and Johnson is not going to survive. Why? Because they called back 31 lakhs product, and it was a huge amount. At that time, it was a big amount and big numbers, and it can create a good loss for the company, and company is not going to survive, and it can not again come back to the position where it was before this issue, and it can take minimum 2 years for the company to again gain back the market share. Earlier, as I told you, they were having 35% market share. So everybody was very concerned with Johnson and Johnson. Even whole market was very concerned, and many prediction happened that they are not going to survive. They are not going to recover from these losses at least for 2 years. But what Johnson and Johnson did was they introduced the product within 1 year. They introduced the same Tylenol product with the same ingredients, but uh, after that, after the incident which happened, they took care of their packaging, because earlier the packaging was very loose. It was not so secure. Anybody can take out the capsule and they can change the ingredients. So that was the learning for Johnson and Johnson, and they used this learning in making their product more secure. At that time, tamper-proof packaging was not so available, and it was not so popular too. So Johnson and Johnson, they started using tamper-proof packaging, and they also started a big, huge media campaign, and they were telling everyone that now your Tylenol drug, which you trusted earlier, it is more secure, because now we are also providing a tamper-proof packaging. And I'll also request everyone to also mark that this is a tamper-proof packaging. If you notice any kind of temper, if your product is broken at any place, don't accept that product. So that kind of also campaign started, and then people also felt good that now the Tylenol is very secured. Nobody can change the ingredients. So this kind of bold step they took. Nowadays, we do aware that whenever we are buying products from Flipkart, Amazon, or any other, even retailers, offline retailers, uh, on many products, it is also written there. You have to cut from here if the product, if the silk is already broken, you should not have to accept this product. So now we are aware that currently it is there, but earlier in 1982 it was not there. So Johnson and Johnson also took that. So let's see about what made Johnson and Johnson's handling of the crisis a success. How they handled crisis very successfully. So few points quickly. We do know that they acted quickly with the complete openness about what had happened, and immediately sought to remove any source of danger based on the worst case scenario, not waiting for evidence to see whether the contamination might be more widespread. So as I told you, they were not waiting for the uh, report as well, investigation report as well. Before that, they took the step of recalling all the 31 lakh product back. So it was a very quick step, which was very appreciative. Then second point is about having acted sought to ensure that measures were taken which would prevent quickly. They then, as far as possible, a recurrence of the problem. So as I told you, they after that they also started with the tamper-proof packaging, because they were aware that this could also happen in future as well. A few people may also do the same thing with the company's product. So then they started with the tamper-proof packaging, and it was also a good step. Third, they showed themselves to be prepared to bear the short-term cost for the customer safety, consumer safety, that more than anything else established a basis for trust with their customers. So as I told you that they recalled all the 31 lakh products back, and because of that step of the CEO, people were also relieved. And though the company was bearing a huge amount of loss there, because it was going to cost a big amount. Why? Because company was recalling all the product, as well as they were destroying all the product. They were not waiting for checking all the product one by one. So they did this, and that's why customers were also then trusting the next product as well, next batch as well. After 1 year, when Johnson and Johnson again introduced, so people were again buying it. And as I told you before this issue, company was having 35% market share. But after this issue, and after they introduce a new product, company also gained the same market share with some extra percentage. Like you can say that at that time, after 1 year, when the product introduced, company also gained market share around 37 to 40%. So those who were saying that company is not going to survive, or it is not going to come out of this losses within 2 years, they were wrong, because company did, and the success came with the company. So here, the basic learning is about professional attitude of the company. There were few steps required which company took, though it was a very costly step, but it also helped in gaining a good market share. So if you're following the ethical part, then success may happen with your company too. So that's the learning here. Now, quickly, what we are going to do is, as I told you, I'll share one quiz with all of you. So what I'll do is, first I'll share the Google form link here in chat box. So now the Google form link is pasted in your chat box. All of you are requested to go on this link. First of all, it will ask you about basic question about your class name, about your university name, enrollment number. Then there are a few questions. Be very careful in attending all the questions. After marking after marking all those questions, you again have to come back here. You are not still free. Our class is still going on, but I'll give you 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, you again have to come here. So currently it is 12:49, but I'll give you time till 12:55. So you guys are having 5 minutes. Mark your answers there, and also come back here. In the meantime, if anybody is facing any trouble, please let me know. Yeah, great, Manu. Once again, you should not have to leave this meeting. After marking that quiz, again come back here. Yeah, great, Bharti and Rishabh. They completed. Great. Bharti also completed. Great. I will deactivate the link of that form after 2 minutes. So this is kind of alarm for those people who haven't attended the quiz. And as I told you, the quiz is your attendance. You have to attend this quiz. So far, many people completed, even Bhavdev, Yashan, then Kusha, Sushil, Ayush, Janvi, Devansh, all of them completed. Great. Great to know, guys. Divya also completed. Great. Be quick. You are having 1 minute, only 1 minute left for those who haven't submitted the quiz yet. I'll deactivate the form, then you will not be able to mark your quiz as well as your attendance. So be quick. So far as I can see,
हेलो सर
yes.
हेलो सर सर मोहम्मद कैफ बोल रहा हूँ सर सर
हाँ,
वो क्विज सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है सर उस पे आंसर सारे फिल कर दिए सबमिट क्लिक नहीं हो रहा है
why?
सर मैंने सर सारे आंसर्स फिल कर दिए उसके बाद भी सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है
Are you using Gmail or something different ID?
जीमेल सर मारवाड़ी की आईडी यूज कर
Okay. Have you used your ID only for the one time or the second time as well? Because I restricted for only one entry.
नहीं सर वन टाइम ही यूज किया अभी तो
Okay, no problem. What you can do is you can take a screenshot of that page and you
Okay,
can
sir.
email me, right?
ओके सर
Because as I told you, this is related with your attendance, right?
ओके सर
Yeah. Guys, so far I can see the 31 people responded. What about others? Be quick, otherwise I'll deactivate the link. Did you also completed Jai, uh, Ranjul, then Shivam, Sri? Yeah, Girish, what you can do is you can also send me the screenshot on my email ID. You guys are having my email ID, right? Let me paste the email ID here. So I'll paste the email ID. This is for those who are facing trouble. They are unable to submit the quiz. Okay, so Girish, Mohammed, you can do it. Yashraj completed, then Darshan completed, then Vinyam also completed, Vijay, Divyajit, Google, Megha, Girish को quiz ही नहीं देख रहा. I don't know why. Many people submitted, Girish. You are the only one. Ash also completed. No problem, Prit. I haven't deactivated the link. I'll do it after taking your concern. Nikita also completed. Raj completed. Vibhusha completed. Guys, provided my email ID. You can check above. Check. Girish, Isha completed.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't
Yes,
got the
make it.
form. I didn't got the form.
The
Google
form,
form.
the Google form link was pasted while everybody was here. Were you here or you joined later on?
I was here, just I went to lose, so a bit inconvenience might have caused, but I was not on the phone.
Just a minute, I'll paste the Google form link.
Okay.
And it is also quiz, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now I think I have to disable the form. I'll wait for 1 more minute. You guys are having only 1 more minute. Be quick, otherwise I'll disable the form and you will not be able to mark your response and you will not be able to fill your attendance too. So far, 45 people responded. Okay, it is actually taking a longer time. So uh, those who completed, they are free from my side. Now you guys can leave. I'll deal with those people who are still facing trouble. So those who are facing trouble can stay here. I am still here to help you. Others can go. They are free from my side. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend, guys. Yeah, Riddhi also completed. Great. Girish, complete your form as soon as you can. Yeah, great. Vijay also completed.